All right. This is an arrival into Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport here in middle of September 2025. Oh boy, we are on the very end of the airport, I think. Opening up. Is this the very end of the airport? I've just been having that kind of luck lately. Either that or every airport's really spread out. So I've just come in from Bahrain. We were delayed 24 hours. First flight we were on Gulf Air. We were all boarded up, ready to go. And the next thing we know, he's talking about fueling the aircraft. And then he says, oh, ground crew scratched the engine. So he says, because ground crew scratched the engine, we have to disembark. So they get us a hotel in Manama, or Bahrain. We were supposed to leave at 6 in the morning, something like that. They inform us that it's been postponed till the evening. So, get our evening flight. They say it's leaving at 6. They wake us up at 5 o'clock. Or they tell us that we need to be in the lobby. And we had like 20 minutes before the flight leaves. We get there, plane's delayed again 2 hours. There was some sort of, who knows what was going on. So I ended up getting a new plane. And yeah, 24-hour delay. So here's the SIM card. Number one is AIS. I use AIS, but some people use True 5G DTAC. Just so you know, the Bahrain was layover from Dubai. Wow, what a long haul this one's going to be. Oh, that guy's really booking it. He must be trying to beat the crowds to the immigration or something. All right. Let's see here. Oh, looks like we're almost here. Oh no, is that a long line? We don't like queues building like that. So let's see how this goes for immigration. It says fast track. 1 minute wait. Passport, fast track. Yep. All right, so we've got currency exchange here, and we're at gate 21. Just to tell you about the entry process into Bangkok. The fast track line was about a 1 to 2 minute wait, and then the line for regular check-in seems like it's going about 10 to 15 minutes. It's about 8:50 in the morning, and I'm going to use the currency exchange. I'm going to exchange some of my money from UAE to Thailand. All right, the bags have started rolling off here. We've been on the ground for about 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes. It's about average here at Suvarnabhumi. Probably going to take a taxi. Not much in the mood to take the train right now, although I know some of you were hoping I would do that. I'll try to provide some additional information about that as time goes by. All right, I got my bag. So Thailand's #1 network there. Going through customs. And we got airport rail that's going to be on the basement level. And then taxis, which are a little bit lower. With the SIM card, you will find better rates here in Thailand than you would in other places. If you're staying for more than 10 days, I would suggest that maybe 7 days is all right also. I just did a currency exchange. Right now, the US dollar, they're buying at 29.5. Very low compared to what it has been. And they're selling at 32. So, the exchange rates are fair here. It's just the US dollar's weak against the Thai baht compared to where it's been lately. So Thai baht's been getting stronger, dollar getting weaker. I don't know about the euro or Aussie or anything like that. I think the same could be said though. So public transportation on 1, train on B, which is the very bottom. You can take escalator, I'll take elevator. I ended up taking the escalator just because the elevator today was quite jam-packed. I have the destination Thailand visa. I would suggest keeping your boarding pass with you at all times because they were asking for it twice on arrival. So it smells like rain. Must have been raining here. I had one of the middle rows, so I didn't get a look out the window when we arrived, but the bag was a little bit wet and it smells like rain, a little humid. Here it is, 8 or 9 o'clock, 8:18 in the morning. So we're just going to the kiosk. Suvarnabhumi is one of the most efficient with this. So number 61. Let's see if I can get this in front of the camera. 61. Lane 32. Yeah, so you have to fill out the ETA online. Make sure you fill that out before arrival. Put in all your information, including your flight details. The problem that I had was my flight was delayed, so I had to. That's why she needed to see my boarding pass again, because I put the ETA in for yesterday, and we arrived 24 hours late. That's why I was telling you guys about all that. Things just moved kind of quick here. It was a long walk, but all is good. Here we go, 61. There's my guy. Oh, I didn't get a big car. I got a small car. Somebody come?
Where are you go?
I go Soy 24. And Roth. 600 baht for Sukhumvit 24. Includes highway toll.